so busy. Dito na naman tayo, guys. What is the name of this place, mister? Huy.
Sorry?
What is the name of this place?
Name of this place?
Mm-mm.
Don't know. I don't know.
We're here at Donelm ulit. Bibili ng lampshade for the lights. Have you put the new bulb in the 2 other bedroom?
Yeah.
The one you ordered? It's so cold. It's freezing. She okay? Hi. You sleep? She smile. Even though daming tao, guys. Hi, this is exit. We're going up. Bibili lang naman kami dito ng lampshade ni Mr. Hello. For where? For downstairs? Is that the color that we got?
So,
No, this. No more. Hi. Get for the bedroom, 3 bedroom for now.
I was thinking for the bedroom was something like this.
That covers. Is that big? Too big, no?
And I was thinking a small size, but they didn't appear to be a small size with a...
They don't cover. They don't have cover. Yeah. Mura lang to, guys. Sa doon 12 pound. Ito 6 pound lang. Oh. Wala nang takip. This is
I
2.
still think it's better with a closed bottom for the bedroom.
Yeah, me too. 6 pound. It's very cheap. You can get that then. Let's wait for same color for downstairs. What is this? Messy design. What color are you gonna get? I want this color if you're gonna get for the bedroom. Why purple? Are they the same? Daming tao. I think this color, isn't it? To get 2. Yeah? And then the gray. Is that the gray?
No, the grey is expensive, isn't it?
Huh? They look like gray. No, not that. This one. This color. This is...
That colour.
No, they,
What colour it is, it isn't.
they're so busy. Because you have no bag. It's scan the barcode there. Tunog-tunog.
I like the look of this.
Oh, it's nice. Oh, it's cold. Ang lamig. Are you gonna drive first the car before I take that little one? I think I can carry her going inside the car. Malamig nga, guys. May moist. Whew. Do you have pounds?
No, not 8.
Don't need. It's crowded, guys. It's busy also, isn't it? Busy ang Sainsbury's. Where are we going?
500 grams.
How many grams is that?
500.
Huh? This is nicer. Gonna boil it. Is it nicer? Sweet? You didn't say that they have here pork ribs. Do you think they have liver, chicken liver, or liver spread?
Pate.
Huh?
Pate.
What is pate?
It's what you find, pate.
I want that. Wala akong makitang chicken. Chicken ba to? Turkey. 250. Kuha tayo ng spring onion, guys. Kuha tayo ng noodles. And vegetables. Sarap to, egg noodles. And veggie. For stir frying. Do you need milk? I think, do you need some? What's that? Oh, the liver spread. Show me.
That's Brussels. Different
What is Brussels?
ones.
What is Brussels? What is that? Meron tayong chicken liver na nakita.
Oh, you want?
This is the chicken liver, oh. Kuha tayo nito, guys. Where is the cake? For little wood.
What you want?
Let's try that. Cake for her. And candle. Really important. Your Coke, you're gonna get Coke. I'm gonna look for shampoo here if they have anti-hair fall.
Shampoo.
Yeah. Tayo dun. Tingnan tayong cake. Cake. May cookies din sila. They also have cookies. 2 pound. This 50 only.
The one below. Okay.
15 pound. That looks so big. I like that. How much? 15 also. 15 din. Also 15. 15. Ang cute ng kanilang cake. They're cute. But they're big. Too big.
So they're 15.
That's also 15.
This one's 550.
Ito, small. Krispy Kreme sila dito, guys, oh. Mahal din ng Krispy Kreme.
Good afternoon, this is a colleague announcement. Please can all those colleagues report to the customer service there. Thank you.
Dami silang candy. Bango amoy tea. Tingin tayo, guys, ng shampoo na anti-hair fall. Dahil yung aking buhok ay lagas na. Hindi ko alam kung anong magandang shampoo. Anti-hair fall. Ba't ganun wala akong makita? Ha? Yeah. Wala akong makita na anti-hair fall. Grabe talaga kasi ang buhok ko, guys. Hindi ko na alam ang gagawin. Hair repair. Tapos na tayo, guys. As long as the car working nicely and properly,
Hello.
you won't get any problem. It's fine. Grabe, 1 degree. Lamig. Hello. Sobrang lamig, guys. Gosh, 1 degree. And it feels like 0. We're going home. Parang namumula ang bata. Hello. We're home, guys. Nag-shopping lang kami grocery lang kami ng kaunti. Yung mga kailangan lang kasi may pasok na si Mr. sa Monday.
Easy goes.
Okay. The feeding bottle with the pouch, the bag is there beside the Michaela's. Wala kaming masyadong binili, guys. Bumili lang kami ng sa lampshade para sa ilaw. 12 pound lang ang isa. Tapos itong pillowcase, 2 brown. 12 pound ang isa. Ito ay sa Donelm. Tapos 2 gray. 12 pound din ang isa. Put her in a car seat.
Now go get the shopping.
Hello, pretty. You feel cold. I think this one is hungry. So, ito lang, guys, ang ating pinamili sa Sainsbury's. How much did you pay? 65.68?
Yeah.
No, because we bought some shampoo and they are so expensive. I hope...
How much did we get off with the nectar?
Did it say? £8. Your credit worth £8. Did you save something? From Nectar?
Yeah, some things had a nectar price.
So this is $7.50, isn't it? So I like this Caterpillar because this is not too sweet. Looks like the same as what Laura have last time. Yeah? Do you think? Is Sainsbury's cake. So we bought some. Ano to? Fresh milk. Ah, ang pangit naman ang kanilang ano. Ang pangit ang kanilang resibo, hindi na mabasa. I can't read the...
50.
No, the milk. 145.
Yeah, the same price.
I'm not gonna read it. No, I want this. I'm gonna boil this tomorrow. Bili tayo ng fresh peanut. They don't have lady fingers. It's because of winter, I think. It's only
Well,
seasonal.
he said he thought they had some. I think they must go.
Parang 250 to. Ito. 250 yung kanilang peanuts na fresh. 500 grams. Is it 500 grams? Yeah, 500 grams. Cauliflower is 1.19. Playing there, isn't it?
I think she's been out and she's not bored.
Spring onion. I can see it. White. Ito, 1 pound lang to white onion. And then, itong, carrot. Alam ko ay 89p lang to. So, ang kanilang beans ay 0.89 lang. Mura lang din. Egg noodles. Gusto ko to. Egg noodles. Egg noodles is 1.60. 1.60. Mura lang din siya. Ito compare. Ito, vegetables. 0.69 lang pala to. Kanilang vegetables. So, ayan, masarap to isote. And then, ang pork, minced pork, 3.65. How many grams? 750 grams. And then, ating pork ribs. Doon pala may pork ribs. Next time. Pork ribs. Medyo mahal ang pork ribs. 6.5 pounds. Nandito pala ang price. And then, ang ham ay... Magkano ang ham ni Mister? So, ang ham ay 4.38. Not too bad. Sa ating ilaw, parang dilim. Ito pa, isa ham. Ito pala ay bacon. So, ang bacon, twin pack, 350 itong dalawa. Tingnan natin yung ginagawa nila. Have you changed this already?
No.
Is it? Yeah, it's darker, isn't it? The color?
Put it on and see.
Hello. Yeah, that is darker.
Yeah.
This is white. This is more white.
This is natural.
So, cucumber. Magkano ang ating cucumber? 0.89. Medyo mura lang din siya. Whole corn. Sweet corn, 1.29. So, 1.29 ang kanilang corn. And then, chicken breast. Yan. Chicken breast fillet, 4.42. Ilang grams to? Tingnan natin guys kung ilang grams. 640 grams. Ang tomatoes. Nakabili tayong liver spread. Tatry ko to kung pwedeng ipanluto. Ang liver spread ay 1.15 pound. And ang tomatoes ay 0.9090. Naglalaro. Ito talaga ang nagpamahal guys. O L'Oreal Paris na shampoo. Si Mr. ang kumuha nito. Para siya sa hair fall. Sana lang ay maging effective. Ang mahal kasi 550 ang isa. So, yan. I-try natin yan. Sana effective. Tapos bumili ng coffee si Mr. Coffee ay 2.75 lang pala. 2 pound lang. Ating cookies. And then, ang banana. 0.78. The bananas there is cheap. 0.78 pound only. How much the tangerine? Are they nice?
Tangerines should be nice. Which tangerines are tangerines?
1.50 tangerines. Tangerines. Let's put them in the fridge. I think someone is hungry, isn't it? Now I know they have this at Sainsbury's. Now I know they have this at Sainsbury's. Pork ribs. Not gonna ask to Aldi that if they have pork with bones. Because they don't have.
I just saw the pork ribs and thought, oh, I wonder if someone will want those.
Oh, this is nice. Ano kaya masarap na iluto dito? I'm gonna divide them first for putting in the fridge.
See, I look after you.
Just now.
No, it's the first time I've seen them.
I keep looking for the pork with bones. Not making effort to find some.
Oh, madam.
Just looking after you. Ang tagal ko na kasi talaga guys, naghahanap ng pork na may buto. Nagtatanong pa kami sa Aldi, nakakahiya at nakakatawa. Ang tanong namin, meron ba kayo na do you have pork with bones? Wala daw. So this is all what we got. Yes? So yan lang guys. Oh, you're too noisy knocking. That's it. What's wrong? Is she hungry? Oh my goodness, you too. Is she hungry? Hi! Pretty! You hungry?
You take this one, I'll get rid of your
I'm gonna wash my hands first.
milk and Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola is important.
I'll drink that. I'll get rid of it.
Okay. Where am I gonna put it? Hindi pala kami nakabili ng egg sa Sainsbury's. Hindi kasi ako naggalagay ng naglista ng mga dapat bilhin. Di bali may work naman na si Mr. sa Monday. And then malapit lang daw yung Aldi doon sa kanyang work. Kaya doon na lang ko siya papabilhin. Sakit ng ulo ko. Yan, lagay na natin ang ating rice. Aray ko, mainit. Ang bango. Bango talaga ng butter tapos garlic. Kulo ng ating egg. Tubig. Ay! Ilagay na natin guys ang ating pork. Pork, hindi pala to. Pork beef pala. Masarap pala to kung may mais. Kaso wala kaming mais. Para siyang chowpan. Magmukha na siyang chowpan. Parang napadami pa yung aking sinaing na rice. Matitira na naman to. Slice na natin tong ating spring onion bago ko pa makalimutan ilagay. Ang lalaki. Maluluto na rin to eh. Bango. Bango guys. Tuto na. Hayaan pa natin ng konting oras yan. Itong ating egg ay ating hanguin na. Yan, perfect. Parang overcook. Hinatay ko na titnong kung apoy ng ating fried rice. Yan. Oily na naman ang aming pagkain, mga kaloka. Maghahain na ako. Kain tayo. So, tira-tira lang muna for today's food.